have a box here. I need to unboxing. I don't know what is this. It's from MCX from my son. I'll go check what's inside. Pivo. Did you see that? Oh, this is nice. This is a 360 rotation cell phone holder that you can use to do video, pictures, even you can dance. This is work for you. Work for me too. Let's go. Look at that. And there is a remote control and a charging cable. This is so nice. Look at guys. I'm excited to try this. And you can put this in a tripod. I saw this online. Thank you, Kuya Jack. Thank you very much.